Once upon a time, in the farthest corner of Squiggly-Wiggly Galaxy, there was an island zany and comical named Jiggling Jamboree. iPopsicles sprouted from the ground while frolicking pancakes flew around in the air. However, the most intriguing were the sneezing snails with tiaras and the Giant Jellybean Jungle that rumbled with laughter. The sneezing snails, Bibble and Squibble, were known for their crazily creative problem-solving. Every morning, the snails would discipline themselves by racing to the very purple pond and tickling talking trees until they blushed green. They loved snacking on magical broccoli that never ran out, paired with star-shaped apples that whispered weird but true facts. Did you know honey never spoils or that whirlpools could sing? The snails knew everything. Every afternoon, they'd play catch with their alien pals, Plop and Glop. There was just one rule: they must share the rainbow balloons. After their grip and giggle session, the snails would visit the Giant Jellybean Jungle. Respecting its sugary nature, they politely tiptoed through it. Being curious didn't stop them from tasting jellybean berries, each popping with a new flavor. Zingy zucchinis thrilled Bibble, while Squibble relished wiggly watermelons. When the night bug chimed midnight, the stars would tell bedtime jokes. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Giggle-filled goodnights guaranteed the snails and everyone else on the island were tucked in bed on time. One day there was a hiccup. The knock-knock mice couldn't remember their punchlines, causing starless nights and laughterless days. No giggles meant no bedtimes. No bedtime jokes meant tired friends. It was mischief mayhem. So, Bibble and Squibble huddled. The snails decided to tickle the lonely cloud until he rained down feather dusters. Each dust would enchant someone's memories. Then, they joined their voices with the singing squirrels. Singing loudly, the enchanting duster fluff flew by. Befriending everyone, it brought back the forgotten jokes. The island rang with laughter again, and starry night decaled the sky. Bibble and Squibble had saved the day with their bizarrely brilliant solution. Amid all silliness, they taught everyone that hilarious hiccups could be overcome with teamwork, sharing, respect, discipline, curiosity, and good old kindness, even in a world as wild as jiggling jamborees. And so, children, on this very night, when you hear a joke from the stars, remember the sneezing snails and their fantastic tale of the Giant Jellybean Jungle.